Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul. It is my first haul of the year. So I did have like like not a good December because I was sick like 2 weeks out of the whole December. So Christmas, New Year's, I was sick. So anyways, so I did go to the Dollar Tree like a few days ago, or maybe a week ago, I don't know. But and I saw that they already had like Valentine's stuff, and then I went yesterday to get a few things so I could make like little cute baskets for my nephew, my niece, my daughter, and my other nephew. Yes, so because I know they're gonna run out really fast, so I decided to just get stuff right now. And then I have all of this that I got like maybe like November, December, and I still have it right here. So we're gonna do that too. So let's start with the little baskets. So they have this kind of baskets like this, and then they have like round ones that they're mostly, I think, like for treats where you can put like cookies and stuff like that. So I did get four for two. I have the two is two. So it's for two boys and two girls. So this one's, they say the same things. It says hearts and hugs. They're pink and they have like little handles. And they're like good quality. The other ones that they did have different like sayings. This one says love you always. And this one says be mine. Yes. So I kind of wish they had like different colors though. But like for like different colors, like maybe a blue or like a white, but they only had like pink. Well, that I saw, they only had like pink and red. So for these baskets I wanted to do like little candies and little like puzzles. I got like some puzzles too for my daughter. I think they're in the kitchen, but I got some puzzles. They have really good like beginner puzzles, and they also have like 300-piece puzzles. So like the first thing that I got is this little set. It's like Fuzzy Friends. It's like a 2-piece. So this one says friends, and then the other side says forever. So my niece and my nephew, obviously they're like siblings. So one is gonna be for the girl, and the other one's gonna be for the boy. And then I love getting my cards from there. I actually, every time I go, I just get a few ones like birthday, anniversaries, like kind of different things. And then whenever I need one, I have them in my little basket, and I just get some. So this time I got some for my husband's birthday and then an anniversary. So that's what I got. And then I kind of wanted to get the same things, like candy wipes. So let me just. Okay, so I did get this one right here. There's like a chocolate bar, like candy. So this one says Cuddle Kitties, and this one says Love Bandit. So it's gonna be one of the chocolates. This one says You're a Hoot. So this is how this one looks like. And then I got a couple of this kind of candy canes. I don't know what happened to the light. It got really bright. So this one says Happy Valentine's, and they're kind of like M&M's kind of candies. It says chocolate lentils, but they're kind of like mimicking M&M's. Then I got this one right here. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and it's like a little puppy. I got a few Peeps for my daughter, for my niece, for my nephews, different colors. This one is cotton candy. I actually don't love cotton candy, but my daughter does, so I just got that for her. Here's another one. Here's the other one. And I just got this one for my daughter because it's getting a little cold. And I did get a couple of makeup items. I'm gonna swatch them at the end, or a little later on. First, I want to get through the candy stuff. Here's another little wand. And then I also got some cookies. I got this one. This one is mostly for me. I love this like minty candy. I love this one right here. And this is like the bigger size. They do sell like a baggie, but they're like smaller size. This one is like maybe full size. I don't know. It still says snack size. So, but this one is supposed to be well, it is dark chocolate covered peppermint patties. I love those. Here are the other Peeps. This one just says oh, this is the pink one, and then there's the blue one. This one just says marshmallow. And then I got them each a little painting set. If you have small kids, I feel like the Dollar Tree is the best place to go because one, they get bored easily. So you're not spending a lot of money, and they have fun while doing it, but they also like get bored easily. Like my daughter, she's gonna be 4 and she gets bored easily, but she does love doing this, doing like painting and stuff. So this one, it says wanna hang. So there are just two, like it has the painting and it has the actual paint stuff, a little brush, and it has a little, what is it called, like an easel. So yes, this one is kind of the same one. They didn't have a lot of different ones, so it just says wanna hang. This one is for my daughter. She actually chose this one for herself. This is unicorn and what is it called, hearts. This one is gonna be for my niece because she likes cats, so I got this one for her. Okay, so I also got like a few more snacks. I got little Chips Ahoy bag. I got like I said, I kind of wanted to get like the similar things for all of them. So another two Oreo cookies, and then I have another chocolate right here. And then I also got this one for my daughter to put in her little basket. And then I just got some decorative little paper shred thing to put like at the bottom. Okay, so that's what I got for like Valentine's. I still want to go to like Walmart or maybe go back there. I don't know why I didn't get any like chips and stuff like that. So I did see like a stand that said like new for like LA Colors. No, yeah, LA Colors. And I honestly love this little lipsticks right here. I have a brown, a few reds, and then I saw this one that says Nude Glam. It says new right here. So this one says high impact one swipe color. It says rich creamy color, moisturizing formula. It says LA Colors. And then I saw something that said shimmer. I don't know, or was it the lip gloss? Yeah, it was a lip gloss. So let me swatch this one. This one is Passion. The what is it called? The packaging is all like of the actual lipstick is not like the best, but still like the formula is good. Like it's actually good formula. Like the brown one that I have is like one of my favorite browns that I always wear. So this one right here is Passion. That's why they did have like a brown one, but I didn't want to get any browns. So this one is how this one looks like. It does have like it's not a matte formula, so I don't know if I'm gonna love that one. And then like I said, like the little thing is really simple. And then the other one that I got is, oh, I did get a brown one. I thought I didn't get a brown one, but I did. So this one, it is called Top Notch. And I didn't want to get a lip gloss because honestly, I knew I wasn't gonna love it. Ooh, okay, so I do like this brown one. So this one is Top Notch and Passion. Oh my god. And they have like a candy vanilla-y smell. That's really good, because usually they have like a really like what I feel like a crayon smell, and I don't love that. Look at that. It does get a little messy. You have to be carefully whenever you put it back, like the top. So but they have a really good smell, honestly, which is great. So the next one that I have, like the last thing that I got from the LA Colors, it is this shimmer jelly lip gloss. I am wondering if it has like a wand or it's like one of those squeezy. Honestly, I'm hoping that it has a wand, because if it has a squeezy, if it's a squeezy tube, I know I'm not gonna use it a lot. So I'm hoping it has a wand. So this is how this one looks like. This one is called Luminizer, and I can see the little shimmer in there. Ooh, it has a wand. So I know I am gonna wear it. This one doesn't have a smell, which is not a bad thing. So this is how this one looks like. I actually really like the color. It is a little bit on the pinkier side, a little bit more pinky than what it is on the tube, but I like it, and it looks like it has a really good color payoff. Like it's not sheer, which is great. Yes, I love that. Okay, so that's what I got like makeup wise. So let me show you what I got like months ago now. Yes, let me show you, because you're gonna see it was months ago, because I have some fall stuff in here, which is like, I hate when I do that, because I bought these things to do activities with my daughter, and I just ended up forgetting that I got it and just doing something else. And this has been sitting here for a couple of months, because look at this. So this is a craft kit, and it is supposed to be like for sunflower and this little, what is this called? I can't think of the name. But it has like this little dolls right here, and I forgot about it. So I hate that I did that. And then I got this one. It's just an educational poster, and just have long vowels and the short vowels. Her room has a lot of those like letter stuff in there. I got like a world map from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree honestly is like really, it has really good activities. I've gotten cards from them, like kind of like this from them, colors, notebooks, everything. It's really good. So this one is another like, what is this called? I can't think of the name, but it has like the color, the activity, and then it has the colors. So if you're in the go, that is great. Here's a turkey. Oh my gosh. Here's an owl. We were supposed to paint it, we never did. Here's a turkey. Oh my gosh. Here is like a little another like Thanksgiving activity. I did buy some gloves from there. And then this one is a little more, and another trip that I went and I just bought stuff and I put it in here. A Christmas tree, a snowman. Ooh, and I had another lip gloss. I'm guessing I swatched it and then I just put it in here. So this is a plump gloss. Why do I do this? And I kept it in the packaging because I was gonna, like, I wanted to do a video on it. I am loving the scents. Look at this. I love that pinky color too. So this is a plump gloss. I'm not feeling any tinglies. I don't want to put it on my lips right now because I have like a red lipstick and that's a whole deal. So this one is on the shade Careless. I didn't see any of this. I'm guessing they came out like this time around. I'm guessing they came out like in December. I totally forgot about those. And then I wonder why I got candy. So I got some lollipops. I wonder why. I'm probably, oh, it was for like Christmas chocolate. I got a Surefresh snack little baggies. Honestly, the Dollar Tree has everything. I have parchment paper. I got a nightlight. I forgot about this. This is for my daughter. She actually chose this one and she forgot about it too. If not, she would have kept asking and asking for it. And I got another little, what is it called? Zipper bags. Oh my God, I gotta chill with all this stuff. I got some coins. Like I said, if any activity you can think of, Dollar Tree has the stuff for it. Apparently I got, what is this? Micro Darts Pro 2 forehead patches. I forgot I got about this one. Why would I need forehead patches? I don't know. I got a lip mask. I haven't tried this one, obviously. And I got this. This is earplugs. I got a little ice pack pain relief. You just put the little ice in there, or does it? Yeah, you just put the ice in there. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. I got a ice cube tray like with penguins. Oh my gosh. I got a nail art tools. And then I got Sharpies. Why do I need Sharpies? I don't know, but I got Sharpies. So they do have like a $5 section, or maybe even more now. And apparently I bought $5 Sharpies. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Halloween. I got this for like Halloween and I still have it here. So this is like the Paw Patrol. Apparently I got some off of it. I had colors. Like I said, Dollar Tree has a lot of like educational stuff for kids. So, which is great. My daughter's starting school this year and I said I was gonna like study with her, and I've been lagging a little bit. I have a bunch of these books like already like in my possession, and I still keep buying more stuff. And then I also got this basket from there. Like I got it a while ago. I actually got like 3 or 4 baskets, and this is one of them. They have such good things. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this long Dollar Tree haul. Finally, that I made this video, I'm going to put this activities and stuff, like actually do them. So I'm excited for me and my daughter and me, so we can do these activities together. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.